concealer, applying it all over the eyelid. With a blending brush, going into Toby and applying this on the inner part of the eyelid and blending it. Now Ofala with a shadow brush, applying it on the outer part of the eye. And then blending with a large blending brush. Back into Toby with the shadow brush and applying a little bit more on the inner part. Back into Ofala and also just concentrating it on the outer corner. With a liner brush, we're going to apply Ofala underneath the eye. Back into Toby with the angled eyeliner brush, and then applying this on the inner part of the eye. Now with a liquid eyeliner, we're just making a straight line across with a slight wing. Taking the retractable liner, we're going to tight line and line underneath the eye as well. Mascara, applying a lot of mascara on the top lashes and on the bottom. Taking an eye cream or glitter glue and a glitter wand or glitter brush and applying this green tone glitter on the inner part of the eye. And the look is finished.